Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix prestige and reset your character in the first Descendant. First, open up the main menu, then select the inventory tab. Now click on Descendant module. After that, select module additional settings. Hit assign module type. Pick the slot you want to upgrade and the type you want to assign to it. Then finish by selecting apply socket type to spend your crystallization catalyst. To get crystallization catalyst in the first Descendant, you can get a crystallization catalyst by researching it with a nice or by getting it as a random job. However, the odds of it dropping as regular loot are very low, so they recommend going to the research route to guarantee you get one of these essential items. To research it, find a nice in the Albion and head to the enhancement material section of the menu, where you'll need the following items: gold 187,500, murky energy residue 8, macromolecule biogel 22, mixed energy residue 8, advanced neural circuit 18, and crystallization catalyst blueprint 1. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.